Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Microsoft Copilot is a powerful AI assistant integrated across Windows, Edge, and Microsoft 365. But many users barely scratch the surface. They use it like a search engine, ask a few questions and move on. The truth is, Copilot is far more capable than that. Whether you are using the free version or Copilot Pro, you can unlock advanced features like voice input, image analysis, file uploading, and even reasoning capabilities that go beyond simple Q&A, as you see here. So in this guide, I will show you how to get the most out of Copilot, turn it from a basic chatbot into a productivity powerhouse. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you should go and understand the three versions. We have a free Copilot. It's available on the web, in Edge, and also on mobile. They have a limited daily messages, basic AI model. Then we have Copilot Pro. It's a paid subscription with fast responses, priority access to newer models, and integration with Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot for Microsoft 365, talking about business enterprise version with full integration into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. The Pro version is worth it if you rely on Copilot daily for work or creative projects. But even the free version is extremely capable. Then you can use the voice input for faster interaction. If you are on the Copilot app or mobile, tap the microphone icon and speaker prompts instead of typing. They also have many options. As you see here, allow mic access to talk. You just have to use this icon here. Then you can ask whatever you want. You can also go and upload files for context-aware assistance. From here, tap on the plus button, then add images or files. And that's your idea. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.